Hello everyone. So today we are going to see about linked list. So basically what is linked list? Linked list is a series of connected nodes. That is there is a node 1, node 2, node 3 and all are in a serial manner and they are all connected. But they need not be stored in a consecutive memory location. That is, if a node is present in a memory location, then the another node need not be present in the consecutive memory location. That is, for example, there are three nodes and each node present in a different locations in the memory and still they are connected. So this is the main difference between the array and the linked list. And the size of the linked list is dynamic. So basically there are two types of memory allocation. One is static memory allocation and the another one is dynamic memory allocation. So in static memory allocation, we allocate the memory before the execution of the program, that is in the compile time. And whereas in dynamic allocation of memory, we allocate the memory after the execution of the program, that is in the runtime. So we in linked list we allocate the size to the linked list in the runtime. Each node contains two things. One is data and another is a pointer that points to the next element. So about pointer, I'll put in another video. So until then, we'll continue with this. So if we see about the node structure, there are two things. That is one element and an pointer that points to another element. That is the next node. And in the program format, it looks like this. This is the structure of a node. And there is a user-defined data type called a structure, which stores different data types. um, Basically the structure is a collection of different data types. Okay, so next, for example, the general structure of a linked list. This is the head node that contains the address of the first node, and basically this head node is a pointer that points to the first node. And the first node, as we know, has two parts, that is one data part and then pointer part, which points to another node. So to point to this node, this pointer must have the address of that node, that is 200. And if we see about this node, there is a data part, but in the pointer section there is null. That is, this node does not point to any other node. This is the last node. And the advantage of linked list is that it is a dynamic size, that we can allocate memory at the runtime. That is, it is not allocated in the compile time where it is only a fixed size, and if we want to allocate more memory we cannot do so in static memory allocation. But since linked list is a dynamic allocation, so we can um, create as many nodes as we want. So that is the advantage of linked list. And the insertion and deletion operation is quite easy in linked list than in array. Then if we see about the disadvantage, the random access is not allowed. That is, we have to access elements sequentially from the first node. So if I want to access some random node in the linked list, then I cannot directly go to that node and access it. In order to access that node, I have to travel from the first node till that node that I want to find. So that is a major disadvantage of linked list. And extra memory for a pointer is required, with each element in the list. So that's it for this video. And if you like the video and if you think that I made the concept clear, then please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, this is CS Coder signing off.